In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Weebly and take a tour of Weebly's user homepage. Whether you're new to Weebly or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel comfortable navigating and using Weebly's homepage features. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in weebly.com free and hit enter. Among the search results, you'll see Weebly's official website link. Click on it to be directed to their homepage. Once there, you'll find a login button conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click to proceed to the login page. At this point, you'll have a couple of options to log in. If you already have a Weebly account set up, you can simply enter your email address. Type in your email and then proceed by clicking the next button. Now, it's important to remember your login credentials, but if you're ever having trouble, you can always reset your password through their help options. For those who have linked their Weebly account with Square, there's also an option to log in using your Square account. Simply enter your Square associated email and password and click on Login. This option might be especially helpful if you're already using other Square services, as it consolidates everything into a single login process. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Weebly dashboard. Your dashboard is your central hub for managing your Weebly website. On the left side, you'll see a menu with several key sections that organize different aspects of your site. Click on the website tab to access tools that allow you to make changes to your site structure and design. Moving on, if you click on the Items tab, you can manage your online store's product offerings, setting up details like name, price, and inventory levels. Next up, the Fulfillment tab is an essential place for you to monitor your product's delivery and shipping details. Keeping track of these elements helps ensure a smooth shopping experience for your customers. For a deeper look into how your site is performing, click on the Reports tab. This section provides various data points and insights about your website traffic and sales. Understanding these metrics can help optimize your site and business strategy. Lastly, click on Communications. If you need to manage how you connect with your audience, here you can handle newsletters, emails, and any direct interactions with your site visitors. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. Now that you know how to log in and navigate the Weebly user homepage, feel free to explore more and tailor your website to your needs. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy site